Hello friends, once again it is me Baker Crispus Obeo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I thank you for the continuous efforts and support you're giving to my channel. So today I brought for you another product. I want to take you through how you can, for example, how to define the different terminologies, those features you encounter when using Microsoft PowerPoint. So I'll come to my Microsoft PowerPoint as you see it is here. I'll come to a blank presentation. I want to explain to you some of the features you encounter while you are using Microsoft PowerPoint. So this is it. It's loading slowly. Okay. So this is it. So I want to take you through this. Don't mind of this one here, okay? Let's take you through this. So this is Microsoft PowerPoint. As you're seeing, it's Microsoft PowerPoint. So here is where everything begins with Microsoft PowerPoint. So you come to the outlay, the out view of the app. This is how it looks like. So I'll take you through. This is the home section here, where you can insert a new slide. You can come here and you insert a new slide. For example, let me first remove this one. So let me first try deleting the slides. So I've managed to delete them all. So I've come to this is a new presentation. This is something which is blank. So here I can begin by adding a slide. So if they come to home, there's that option you see here where it says new slide. You can tap in here, and then you say like this. Sorry. My pace is kind of slow. So I can find all these things here in insert. As you see, I say new slide. So if I add on this, I click it once. So it comes here, as you see. This is the new slide. I can add my title, add another subtitle if I want. So I can again come and say new slide. I add another slide, as you see. So there are various types. So you see this one is also a slide. So I can insert those slides using this one, and then I can insert maybe a table in those slides wherever. I can insert a picture from here wherever. If for example, if it is stored in the desktop, for example, let me say in this very PC I'm using, I can transfer it and I paste it in my slide. I can also add online pictures if I want. If I'm connected to any internet connection, I can add it here. I can also screenshot and I put the thing in my slide here. So from here you'll see there are very many things you can use. There are very many features as you're seeing them down here. So as you see, if you want to add a video in my slide, I can just come here and add it in a particular slide. If I want to add an audio, I can come and add it in a particular slide. So that is it inside. Let's come to design. As you're seeing design. So design, for example, I may be having a slide. I have a slide here. So let's take, for instance, these are the slides. Let me say this is a slide. Let me type something here and I say climate. Being upcase. Let me say my topic now here is climate. Yeah, as you see here, I can say for example, I'm going to talk about effects. Let me not talk about effects. Let me say I'll talk about introduction. I'll begin by introduction. Post any topic you have to introduce it. I come and talk about effects of climate. Yeah. Let me say about some simple thing. Come here to my new slide. I will say here I will talk about the introduction particularly. Now what do I talk about in this introduction? I'll talk, for example, I will define climate. What is climate? So I come and say climate is the weather, a place recorded for a long period of time. So I can stop there. So this is what I've done. So these are my new slides I have. For example, now I am on design, so I can come to this first slide of mine. I say I want to design this slide in a way that it looks. I can come and tap on this. As you're seeing, my slide is being designed. I can come and tap on this. You're seeing I have designed my slide, that particular slide. I can come and tap on this. So the different designs you can see. You see, so you can decide any design you're using in this line, as you're seeing there. So all these are designs of the slide. Let me take this one in. For my case, I see it's cutting to my side. So climate introduction. So sorry, I made some mistake in this. It's supposed to be introduction here. Introduction. So yeah, so that is it. So I finished design. So in design you can get any way. I can say format background. In this design, I say I'm formatting my background. For example, I may say gradient fill. You see, I may say picture or text fill. You see, so I'm trying to design my slide in very many ways. As you think, there are very many features here you can use. Are you seeing them? So this is my design. So after insert, I've come to design. Now I come to transition. So if I come to transition, here you get things, very many things. For example, I can come to none. This is a none. So I can come to cut. If I say cut, you see, this is now my transition. How my slide will be coming into, how it will appear when I'm changing from this slide to the next slide. This one here, as you see, this one here, you see. So this is the transition. This one is wipe. This one is split. You see, this one is random bars. So that is it. As you see, there are very many. Even I can come to effects options. You're seeing from top to left. You see, so there are very many things. For example, here I can set even the duration, or I can say sound. Yes, if I want to add a sound, I come and add a previous sound, any sound I want. For example, let me use this. So if I'm presenting my slide, this sound will be made when I'm changing the slide from one slide to another. Even I can come and I can set it automatically, whereby I can set a specific time. For example, I say 1 minute, change to another slide. 30 seconds, change to another slide. So I can come and tap my here. These are seconds, you see. After 25 seconds, you change. After such specific seconds, you can change. So that is it. So you see here, they're saying after you change. So that is it about the transition space. You see, there are very many things I can use to show my slides. So let me come to animations. Animations, I think for animations during slide presentation, we only have one here. Some few of them. Most likely they're not used here in the presentation software, in the presentation. But anyway, I can try to use this, but they are inactive, as you see. So they can't apply. They are not supporting it for this case. Yeah, I can come to my slideshow. The slideshow here, there are features whereby you want like to present your work. So now this one now it is almost, let me say, almost the last. Most of the features used, the last thing you can use when you are presenting your work. So here I can come and say I want to present my slides. Of course, it might be automatic, or you can be using a remote, or you can just be tapping on some key here on the keyboard. So to change from this slide to another, for example, it is like, for example, escape key or this center bar here. So I can come and say from beginning, I want to present my slide from the beginning. So here it is loading, you see, it is from beginning. I can type, another slide comes. So you're seeing I just type somewhere, the slides are over now. I can just type from beginning. I want to present my slide, so it has come, as you're seeing it. it is presenting that it is showing me climate, introduction, effects to climate. This is my first slide. I tap this space bar here. You're seeing the space bar on your keyboard, and that slide appears. So if you're using a remote, you can use anything. If you're using a motherboard, let me say a board, sorry, not a motherboard, a keyboard, you can tap on the space bar on your keyboard. So I can come out from this by pressing an escape key from where I was. So, or I can say begin from the current slide. This is my current slide fine. I can say begin from current slide. So you see, it is beginning from what I was supposed to end with, but I've just set that it should begin with the current slide. So again I tap, so it's the last. So you see, so it's as simple as that. So there are other features here like present online, custom slide shows. These are custom, you can just put them by yourself. As you've seen, you can put any format you want to begin with from there. So you come to set up slideshow. So there are things here you can set up from your slideshow, how you want to set up your slideshows, how they should look like. You can get them there. So there are very many things here. You can even record slideshow. You can record that slideshow you are presenting to the audience. You can try to record it from here. We come to review. Here it has things which are not so much influence. So this one here has features like, for me, just you are finished now editing your slide, so you can come in this review and you want to review your slide before you present, so that you make sure that you have not made any mistake. So you can come on here and you just say, for example, you want to check the spelling errors. If there's any spelling error, just tap on this. It will tell you that spell check complete. You are good to go. It means that your presentation has no any spelling error, but if it was there, it would show you that there was some spelling error. For example, I can try it for you. Let me try to edit this work, and I put here, for example, I move this arrow, so I come to spelling. So you see, it is showing that there's some spelling error in the word average. So I just come and clearly here, I tap on in between, I add the letter arrow. So if I come back here to spelling errors, it will show me that again there's another spelling error again. You see, I've tapped in the word wrongly. So average is spelled like that. So if I come back again and check spelling error, I am good to go, as you see. So that is it about spelling. So there's this one here, they call it thesaurus. So this one here just wants, maybe for example you want to use another word for a specific word in your presentation. For example, let's say average. You're seeing averages here, so I want to get another word to mean average. So it comes here and shows me that the word is average. So if I'm online, I just tap on this, I look for the word, I search for it, they will show me another word to mean the word average. So that is it about this one. So let me see, we have another one here which is called smart lookup. Smart lookup. Here are some features here. You can open it and see. So smart lookup has some features which may not be necessarily here, so we can try to leave it out because it's not responding. So we have other features here you can use in case you want to use them. Then let's come to view. Here it just shows you some of the things you want again to add in your slide. So for example, you can say outline view. You see how it looks like. The slides come this side and the outline comes this side. This is the normal view, of course. Now you can say outline. If you're just outlining, not showing slides, specific slides, you say slide sorter. It is sorting out the slides, so it will bring, if you have any many slides, it will bring them all in your screen at the same time. So you can sort out anything you want. Notes page. So you see, this is how it looks like. Then reading view. So you see, I'm reading now. I'm reading my views, as you see. Come to slide master. So you see, there are very many things you want to use in case you want to use them as you're seeing them. Alright, so let's go back. I'm closing it. So I was here on review. Okay, so members, generally that is how we can present our work. Those are some of the things you can use while you're presenting your work. So I beg you to please watch and subscribe to my YouTube channel as I'm bringing you more and more videos. Next, I'm going to bring for you in some few days, I'll bring for you, or in some few hours, I'll bring for you how to present now your real work using the Microsoft PowerPoint, using those various features I've explained for you. Please, thank you. I beg you to watch and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you.